1984 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, a little over 96,000 on this one. 305, 5-liter underneath the hood. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. The 305 is paired up with an automatic transmission. And if you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, the interior, the bed on this vehicle, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And you can always call us 507-386-1726. Lets you get a good look at the front bumper, grille, paint on this. This would actually be a two-tone paint. You're going to have maroon metallic and light maroon metallic up here on the top. So there is a little bit of a difference there. You can see it. Maroon cloth interior. Sometimes they are considered maple in that color. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. The still pictures will have pictures with the tonneau cover folded back so you can see the bed of it. There's a bed mat back there, like an indoor-outdoor carpeting deal they use for a bed mat. And those still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Recent service work just done to this new radiator. Alignment was done. Valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, and rear diff fluid and gasket was changed. There you get an idea of the two-tone from the top and the bottom, matching in the lighter maroon metallic and then the maroon metallic in the center. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Door panels. Looks good. There are some floor mats I'll put back in here, but wanted you to be able to see the carpeting in the pictures in the video. Looks like free of much of really any rips, tears, holes in the seat. Now remember, this is a deeper burgundy. If I stand back, there's the color of the interior. It was considered maple or a darker burgundy interior. When I get up on top of it, the burgundies wash out, so it is not that color. FYI, it's a nice deep burgundy color. All right, Pioneer aftermarket radio put in it. Radio does work. Wipers worked at those going. It's 96,730. You can see that 9 behind there. Fuel gauge working, top of the dash, free of cracks or discoloration. Headliner also nice shape. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust as far as mufflers or anything on it. Sounds it's a stock 84 El Camino should. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood. Let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Hood popped. Got 305. Power steering, power brakes. AC has been converted also back here. You can see it's not R12 anymore. It's 134 conversion. Stock looking engine bay. Nice, clean and tidy. There you go, 1984 Chevrolet El Camino. Clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.